Hey, it's Zach with Android Police, and in this video, we're taking a look at the OneOdio Studio HiFi headphones. These are a wired pair of closed-back headphones geared towards studio monitoring and mixing, and they come in at just under $40. Huge thanks to OneOdio for supporting the channel and sponsoring this video. Out of the box, aside from the headphones, you get a large carrying pouch, instructions, and two cables. One is a simple 1.2 meter long 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable with an inline microphone, as well as a multifunction button used for accepting and ending phone calls, playing and pausing music, skipping or going back a track, and activating mobile device voice assistants. The other is a 2 to 3 meter long coiled 3.5 millimeter to 1/4 inch cable. That brings us to the headphones themselves, where you will see two ports, one on the bottom of each ear cup, and we'll get to these in a second. Now, the headband sports some nice padding. It's actually filled with what they're calling memory protein cotton. The ear cups have good soft PU leather padding as well, and these surround the 50mm neodymium drivers. These are nice and lightweight, they're good for long studio sessions, and there's just enough ear cup articulation to accommodate different head and ear shapes for optimal noise isolation. These headphones have an impedance of 32 ohms, meaning they don't require a lot of power to drive them in order to get really good sound out of them. So you can use them with a phone and get great sound. Now that leads us to the ports. One is 3.5 and one is 1/4 inch. This not only allows you to use this cable with both regular everyday mobile devices and full-on audio equipment and instruments without the need for an adapter, but it also allows you to connect or daisy chain additional headphones to these headphones without the need of a splitter. With those 50mm neodymium drivers, OneOdio is boasting high fidelity or hi-fi sound, which aims to provide more detailed sound with good dynamics such as deep bass, bright and clear highs, warm and full mids, making for a balanced sound experience for whatever music genre where no single aspect overpowers another, and clean and undistorted audio at any volume level. Coming in at under $40, these headphones look to cover a number of different use cases, whether you're monitoring, mixing, and recording music, casually listening to music from hip-hop to classical, watching movies, or all of the above, audiophile or not. We've got a link in the description if you'd like to pick up a pair for yourself. You can grab the pair that I have here, or the pair with different silver accents. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the Android Police channel if you're new. It's been Zach, I'll talk to you later, and thank you for watching.